Ever feel like school left out some pretty important life lessons? Sure, we learned about the Pythagorean theorem, but what about growing our wealth? Let's dive into the financial education we all missed out on. The money lessons school forgot. First up, let's talk about compound interest. It's like a financial superpower. Imagine your money making more money, which then makes even more. It's wild. If you put away just $200 a month and it grows at 8% annually, you could be looking at a cool $350,000 in 30 years. The earlier you start, the more time works in your favor. Remember, time is your secret weapon in the investing game. Compound interest equal your money BFF. Now, let's break down assets and liabilities. Think of assets as your money-making squad. Stocks, index funds, real estate. They're working hard to put more cash in your pocket. Liabilities, they're the party crashers, always taking money out. Think credit card debt or that car loan. Here's a pro tip. Wealthy people focus on building up their assets, not piling on liabilities. It's all about making your money work for you, not the other way around. Assets in, liabilities out. Let's chat about risk and diversification. You know how your parents always told you not to put all your eggs in one basket? Same goes for investing. Spreading your money across different investments is like giving yourself a safety net. If one investment takes a nosedive, you've got others to keep you afloat. Remember, risk is not about being reckless. It's about understanding what you're doing and playing it smart. Diversify equal investing insurance policy. Here's something they definitely didn't teach in school. Inflation is secretly eating away at your savings. That $1,000 you stash under your mattress today, it won't buy you nearly as much in 20 years. Prices go up and cash just sits there losing value. This is why investing is so crucial. It's your best defense against inflation's sneaky wealth-eroding powers. Beat inflation, grow your wealth. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't have thousands to invest. Good news, you don't need it. You can start your investing journey with as little as $5. Seriously, it's not about how much you start with, it's about starting and staying consistent. Those small, regular investments, they add up big time over the years. It's like building a snowball. Start small, keep rolling, and watch it grow. Start tiny, dream big. So, let's recap this crash course in financial literacy, the class our schools somehow forgot to teach. We've covered the magic of compound interest, the power of assets over liabilities, why diversification is your best friend, how inflation is secretly plotting against your savings, and why starting small is totally okay. These are the building blocks of financial success that nobody told us about. Financial literacy isn't just for Wall Street pros or economics majors. It's for everyone who wants to take control of their financial future. And guess what? You've already taken the first step by tuning in. Keep learning, keep growing, and watch your wealth do the same. Want more financial hacks and tips to level up your money game? Hit that like and join the WealthSync community. We're here to decode the money mysteries schools left out and help you build the financial future you deserve. Let's get that money working for you. Subscribe for more financial wisdom.